Hi everyone, my name is Karen Costa and I am one of the facilitators for COOL, Camp Operation Online Learning. Together this summer in a community of practice taking place online, we will assist faculty in either developing or redeveloping an online course. I am so excited to be a part of this team. I am ready to learn along with you this summer. So a little bit about me. I've been working in higher education in a variety of capacities since 2002. I started teaching in 2006. I started teaching online in 2007, and I started teaching other faculty how to teach online in 2008. So I come from a community college background, and that's how we do things. So it has served me very well, that foundation. So I continue to teach online. I'm teaching online today. I'll be teaching online tomorrow, knock on wood. And I also do, along with my online teaching, a lot of faculty development work, and I write about higher education. And I live in Massachusetts, so you can figure out where I am in the world. So the reason I'm so excited for COOL, just to quickly share with you that the big part of COOL that I think is going to resonate with you is that we are going to be a community of practice. So you are not going to be alone in this work. You are going to be doing this with a supportive, safe community of peers. We will be focusing on strengths. You will be in the driver's seat of your teaching and your course design, and we will be cheering you on. This community will be fun and positive and supportive, and it will help you connect with your purpose as a teacher. So I'm really excited to work with you. I love online learning and teaching. I believe in it, and I believe in you, and I can't wait to learn with you this summer. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.